At last, I got my PS5. Spider-Man Miles Morales Ultimate Edition and Spider-Man Remastered is free. In WWE 2K19 is always my favorite game. And now the beast is here. Okay, PS5, and we have a 1 year warranty. I bought this PS5 in Sony at HC website, that is shop at hc.com. I think I'll post a link below. And as you see, this is the model number and quantity, MRP and all. Okay, I'll just show the back what it's like. Play like never before. Yes. Okay, cool. And above 6 years can use the PS5. Okay, there is something here which is not coming. Just a second. Just a second. And I just open my console. And the box is right here. You can see it. And my console is here. Okay, just turn it. Okay, what is that? There is some instructions how to remove the box. So I think the PS5 is packed in very well and secured manner. Just open this. Wow, I get the manuals of PS5. I'll show you down. It's a quick start guide. What is it? It's a safety guide from PS5. The cable used to connect to TV. And here comes the joystick. Okay, let me open it. Wow, the joystick is really cool. It's very easy to hold and it's quite heavy. I think it's 280 grams. It's equal to the Bablet Aero Pro Drive rocket, I think. My rocket is around 300 grams. Okay, let's see what's inside it. And we have a stand here inside the first box. The stand and the HDMI cable. And it's HDMI cable, I think. Yeah, it's HDMI cable. Okay, understand. And the console is right inside. I can't wait to get my hands on this console. Ta-da! The PS5 is here. Okay, I'll just open this. And PS5 is packed in a very well manner. You can see the cover, how many layers it had been covered. I think it's at least two layers of cover, I think. Yes, just a second. Yeah, it's a quite big cover. As you see here, there are as you see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. The first two are Bluetooth 3.0 pins, I guess, and second one is this one is LAN, and this one is HDMI, and this is the power plug for PS5. Okay, I'll just rotate my PS5 here. Okay, and it's a disc edition. And you can see here We have another USB port here, and this one is for charging your joystick. And here is the CD disk drive for PS5. Yeah, I can see my that triangle triangle box XO here, right here, but I don't know whether you can able to see it or not. Anyways, okay.